Oh, did you give up? Did you? Did you decide to be sensible? Did you? Look at that tail. Eddie's having none of it. Yeah, it's still raining. No amount of shouting at the door will make it stop. Yeah. We're going to close the door, okay? No, okay. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's the stuff we're going to give away. Yeah. Yeah, it's still, yeah, those are your keys. It's just as wet as it was 2 seconds ago. Okay? This is what happens in December. Who's that handsome cat you snorfing? Yeah, I see him. Yeah, the rain is gonna fall, isn't it, Etty? Okay. Have we given up? Yeah. I love you, my sweet. Yeah, those are your keys. Let's instead, let's go in and finish my cup of tea. What do you think, Etty? What do you think, my love? Yeah, let's go finish the tea. Showing off the Christmas decorations while I'm here. There's the tree. Yeah. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.